All right, Ramsey, you ready to help me pick a winner? Let's pick a winner for the Halloween things. I know. Hi guys, so it's time to pick a winner for the Halloween idea pamphlets. I'm going to hopefully hear from somebody within the next 24 hours, and I will get that out to you. As soon as I hear from you, I will immediately mail it. I've got a stamp on it ready to go. I just need to put an address on it. So I have selected the winner. I'm going to put them at the end of this video. And I just want to say thank you so much for the kind words. Thank you for everybody that participated. I know it was a quick, and I don't think I've ever done one that fast before. So be looking for some more like that. I think it turned out really good. I like the turnout on it. And so yeah, so because I need to ship this off quickly, I need to hear from you as soon as possible. So yeah, so let's post the winner. Huh, he's on camera. Well, congratulations, Celeste. I hope you enjoy your pamphlets, and I hope you get some use out of it. And thank you again for the compliments. And Ramsey just wanted to get even closer. He's a ham. Y'all know he's a ham. Hey, you a ham? All right. Hope you guys are enjoying the retro videos. Thanks to Verna, I decided to. She helped me to put the dates, roughly the month and the year. At the bottom of it, so you guys would know what you're watching and what you're listening to. And I hope you guys are getting some helpful information from that too. Yeah, because I know some of you didn't get to see that, and some of you may have missed some of the videos that I had on my other channel, which are no longer there, because that's what I was trying to explain. I am collaborating them and putting them on this channel so that you guys can watch them, and I have labeled them as retro because they are not craft related. Although I found out that when I was watching, I was like, oh, I do tend to talk about crafts a little bit on them. So these are some earrings I made. I think I've told you guys about this. They go with my sparkly black nail polish. Anyway, congratulations, and I will see you guys very soon. I'm going to be posting my retro videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So yeah, so don't forget, we're going to have the drawing for the other giveaways. I have four giveaways going on right now. I have listed down 3 of them below. The 4th one is in a surprise giveaway, I think. It's for the sewing pattern and ideas, and I'm going to add some little extra stuff to that as well. So yeah, so be looking for that. That one is open worldwide as well. And so yeah, congratulations, Celeste. I hope to hear from you really soon. Remember, email is in the description box below, but it is young40mom@gmail.com. Make sure you put in the subject line winner, and I will get that to you ASAP. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Peace out.